When you've done all the work, you want to be able to save your design. So let me just go ahead. I'm going to build a little design for you with a design and some letters, and we'll get it to be something we can pull up at a later time. How about a little snowflake? So I'm going to position that there, and then I'm going to go ahead and get some letters. We'll just use the regular font. And by the way, if you want more fonts, check out our video on Quick Font, which is the free font program you can get with this machine. So we'll just go ahead. How about we'll do something fun? And with that, let's call it Let It Snow. So I'm going to use uppercase and lowercase. So we'll just get our letters on here. This is the space. Let it, and space. We'll do capital S. And a quick check. Oh, I didn't get let's do lowercase. And S-N-O-W. All right, let it snow. Touch OK. Let's bring it to where we want it to be. And let's say you do this every year for something and you change the date. So for example, let's go ahead, we'll pull in the date for this year. And we'll go to our numbers, and let's go ahead, we'll just go ahead and pretend this is 2015, and then touch OK. And we're going to save that to where we want it to be. Okay, we'll pretend that's all lined up. It's perfect. We've embroidered it today, but we want to save it so next year we could use that same design, not have to do all the work, and just change the date. So we're going to come down here to the red heart. That's where we save things. So it goes into Save Design, into My Designs. You can go ahead and rename this, and I usually do, just so I have a little bit control of what the names are. Touch and hold the trash can. That will take all the letters, or if you touch the trash can, each letter will disappear. And let's just kind of give it a quick little title called Let It Snow. All right, and touch OK. Once we push OK, then we'll save it in My Designs. Now, once you save it, the key is, well, how do we go back and find it at a later time? So we're just going to delete everything, touch and hold the trash can, touch OK. So we come back next year, and we go to where our folder is, and we go to My Designs right here, and we see the Let It Snow. So we can go ahead and touch that. If I touch and hold it, it'll bring it right up into the screen. Notice everything is individual, so if I decide I want to just deselect everything, if I want to change the snowflake, I could touch it, delete it, put something else in there, or we could just leave it and, well, we need to change the date. Touch the date, come down here to Edit, and we have a video on how to edit your alphabets. Right down here we have a little cursor, so if we just touch the trash can one time, we'll get 2015, and let's change it up to 2016, and touch OK. And if we want to save this one, because we're going to do some today, but we need to do some tomorrow, we'll come down to the heart again to save the design. You can see that the first one's in there, and if I went ahead and just touch OK, watch what's going to happen. It's going to say replace the file, which technically wouldn't be a bad idea because we're not going to use the old date again. But let's say we wanted to keep that one because of what it was. We could come in and rename it, Let It Snow, and then we could say number 2, or maybe we give it the actual date for the year 2016. Now we'll know exactly which one is which, and when we touch OK, now we have it saved twice. So there's lots of things that you can do when you save your designs, being able to re-edit them and just repeat things over and over just by changing a little here and a little there.